I want to tell you a little bit about my story. I was a smoker for many, many years, and the truth is, I wish I hadn't ever started smoking. It was really the worst thing that I've ever done for myself. I am definitely experiencing the effects of all of those years of smoking. I mean, at this point, there's really no way at all that I could actually go like on a jog or go running or go hiking or anything like that. And those are things that I really want to be able to do. I tried a bunch of things. I used inhalers, and I was using nebulizers, and you know, the truth is nothing was really working. A friend of mine who I was talking to, who also was an ex-smoker, he actually suggested this to me, and I just got this recently. It's called the AirPhysio. And he was telling me that it really works and that it's really simple, really easy. And so I'm gonna try it. I wanted to really sort of track my progress and see, you know, so I'm gonna use this thing. This is called a PFM. It's a peak flow meter, and basically it analyzes your breath capacity. So I want to see where I am now before I start using. So that's where I am. Right now it's at 400. Which is really not where I want to be. You inhale through your nose, and then you blow out into the AirPhysio, and then there's a ball bearing in there, and it's supposed to vibrate. So let's see how it goes. I'll do it a few times and see. Oh. Okay. So I'll do this probably a couple more times today. And then I'll check back in tomorrow for day 2. And we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. Okay, thanks. Okay, let's see how this goes. I haven't even started yet. I'm already tired. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right, so seriously, this is day 1, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna try it. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm miserable. I'll try again tomorrow. So I just want to tell you something sort of disturbing, but I did this last night. They call it a productive cough, which means that I coughed up basically the biggest, most disgusting loogie I have ever coughed up in my entire life. I'm not going to describe it to you because it was truly disgusting. But the fact is, it's better that it's out of me, that it's in my kitchen sink and it's not in me anymore. So already after the first day, I feel like stuff is moving around. I feel like it's working. And I'm about to do my day 2 workout. Wish me luck. Whew. All right, man. It was more than yesterday. See? I actually feel stuff moving around. That's good. Check in tomorrow. Okay, everybody. It is day 3. And like the first day, I was using my watch. I could basically do about 5 minutes. And today, I'm gonna try for 15. But the truth is, I am feeling so much better in just 3 days. Seriously, big difference already by day 3. Wow. Hey, it's Michael. I just finished my day 4 workout. I feel great. Full breaths in and out. I've been honking up loogies every day, and here comes one now. I won't show that to you. It's a big one, but I feel great. All right, check this out. Okay, guys, this is what's going on. I am on day 5. I am not kidding. I am on day 5 of using the physio. And I will tell you, amazingly, I feel great. Like, I can actually breathe for the first time. I feel like I can actually breathe in like years. Like, I haven't been able to have like this kind of lung capacity in a very, very long time. And I feel great about it. I feel great about it. Okay, hold on. We're gonna go back to this, my friends. We're gonna go back to my peak flow meter. I was at 400, okay? Which was terrible. Let's try it today. All right, man. 650. Check that out, 650. I would not have been able to do this 5 days ago, and 2 years ago, I would not have been able to even walk down this street without feeling like I was gonna collapse. Listen to this. So, if you are a smoker, if you are an ex-smoker, if you have chronic bronchitis, if you have any difficulty breathing for whatever reason, you have to try the AirPhysio. It seriously works. It's super easy, it's natural, there are no chemicals. If you just want to breathe and feel better about yourself and about your life, just try this. It changed my life. I am not joking. Seriously, it changed my life, and it will change your life too.